I wanted to do a quick video about your homework assignments in wamap. And this is my calculus class, Math 151, Spring 2018. It's April 8th right now. I want to back up to yesterday on the calendar. And right here, I've got a video assignment due, and it's in gray. The key thing I want you to know is when something's in gray and you open it up, it's now in ungraded review mode and no scores will be saved. So don't ever do anything in review mode because you won't get credit. If you just want it for practice, that's great. I can continue in review mode, or I can use a late pass and I can use it here or back at the calendar. If I just know right away I want to use it, I can use this late pass. Yes, redeem the late pass. And then notice this video assignment has popped up. It's going to be due tomorrow. Okay, so I've used the late pass. I can also unuse the late pass since I haven't opened it up yet if you accidentally use a late pass. Okay, so now let's just talk about doing homework and video assignments. When I open this, of course, you want to watch the videos and notice there's some questions here. I'm going to go ahead and just answer the answer 3. I got that one wrong, so I'm going to go ahead and try again. And I'm going to type in 179865. Go ahead and hit submit, and there we go. And I got credit for it. I got it right. But notice I've only gotten part of the points. Now, you can leave it like that, or you can try another similar questions to try and get more points. And now I have a whole new problem right here, which I'll go ahead and attempt. Hit submit. And I got the question right, and I got full credit. Right? You can always go back and try another problem. Same idea with the homework. So I just wanted to make sure you understood this. Try a similar question. And lastly, I just wanted to make sure that you knew how to use the gradebook. If you want to see what you've done in the past, you can go ahead and hit the gradebook. And I'm going to open homework 0.1. Now, honestly, this is a pretend student, and I gave this pretend student full credit, so you won't actually have any answers in here, but you can see the original problems and you'll be able to see your answer. So notice back in the gradebook, you have all these links of things that have already been due. You can go back and see them, but the thing that we're still working on, there's no link there. So I can't use my gradebook to see it until it's past due. So if you want to see something, you just go back to the video assignment. So I'm picking the 9th. I open it up, and there it is again. It still has my answer, and I can continue working. So that's all I wanted to talk to you about today.